Footsteps fall on wet cobblestones. Raindrops trace the path we used to roam. A flicker of your shadow in the glow. Every heartbeat feels like home.
I reach through the mist, but you're not near. Echoes of laughter, whispers I still hear.
The world fades soft, the night holds you tight. Moments suspended in silver light.
If I could hold back time, would the rain wash away the pain?
Every fleeting spark burns in the dark, calling your name.
Stay here a while, let the night slow down. In the rain, in the quiet, where dreams are found. Flickers of us like stars in the sky. I can't let go, even if I try.
Street lamps shimmer on the riverside, reflections of the love we try to hide. Your hand in mine,
A ghost I can't touch,
but I feel you still.
oh, I miss you so much. Silent words between the falling rain. Every drop reminds me of your name.
I close my eyes, you're closer than air. A tender echo everywhere.
If I could hold back time, would the rain wash away the pain?
Every fleeting spark burns in the dark, calling your name.
Stay here a while, let the night slow down.
In the rain, in the quiet, where dreams are found. Flickers of us like stars in the sky.
I can't let go, even if I try.
The world may turn, but I remember every stolen second, every ember.
Even when the night fades to gray, I'll find you in the rain someday. Close your eyes and you'll see me near. Whispered promises only we can hear.
Though the distance grows, the feeling remains.
Our hearts entwined in gentle refrains. Stay here a while, let the night slow down. In the rain, in the quiet, where dreams are found. Flickers of us like stars in the sky. I can't let go, even if I try.
Footsteps fade, but the glow